Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your AmaWaterways experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful AmaDahlia here in Egypt. Now this is one of the twin balcony cabins. AmaWaterways pioneered the twin balconies and they are a fan favorite. I'll show you why in just a minute. But keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with AmaWaterways around the world, you reach out to the experts at HarTravel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can help craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now with AmaWaterways, your trip always begins with a land package. We started at the St. Regis Hotel in Cairo for 3 nights. We got to explore the Great Pyramids, went for a camel ride, toured the ancient city of Memphis, and got to see some of the most exquisite artifacts at the museum. Now you're gonna find world-class guides. All of that is included, all your tours throughout the entire time. In addition, you'll have breakfast, lunch, and dinner on board, beer and wine included with lunch and dinner. And then you'll also find their famous sip and sail happy hour where you can sit back, relax, and toast with friends before you head to dinner. Now let's tour this beautiful room. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you have quite a bit of storage here to the side. I'll open that up for you. You've got hanging storage across, you've got hanging storage down below, full-size laptop safe. You'll find a couple umbrellas you can utilize throughout, and then the extra comfy bathrobe and slippers. Over to the side here, you've got a bit more storage. You'll find your coffee and tea station. Down below, you've got a mini fridge. Of course, they'll replenish the water and sodas as often as you like throughout your cruise. To the side here is the bathroom. Now you're gonna find it is quite expansive. You've got a large double vanity here. You got storage underneath. You're gonna find the highly upgraded bath amenities. You've got your hairdryer to the side there with a European plug. You've got a magnifying mirror and then a full soaking tub. Just to the side, you'll find your shower. You've got a rainfall shower head up above, adjustable shower wand there as well. Once again, it's a wonderful and comfortable way to travel. Stepping back in, you've got your seating area here. You've got a nice comfy sofa looking directly across at a flat panel TV. You're gonna find all your favorite channels on there where you can sit, relax, but I think you're gonna check out those views from your twin balcony. Now I did want to point out that this is a connecting cabin. You'll find that on both of AmaWaterways ships. It's a perfect experience for friends and family traveling together. In fact, I'm traveling with my father and my daughter. It's an incredible way to explore Egypt in a multi-generational way. You've got a bit more storage underneath here with the shelves. You're gonna find that you have another sitting area here where you can sit and get ready. It doubles as a vanity. You've got a US plug. You're also gonna find a European plug and USB chargers, a little bit of storage underneath there, and a nice reading chair. Now as we step through, you'll find the bedroom. Now the bed is together right now. It's a comfy one. You'll find that they can separate it apart into 2 twins if that's your preference. Just let your HarTravel advisor know and they'll note the record. Now on either side, you've got nightstands where you can tuck things away. You got European and US plugs along with USBs. Now I love the fact that the bed here faces out at the incredible view. You do have a second television here as well, but this is where you can take advantage of those beautiful views along the Nile. Now if you want to upgrade, you can find quite a bit more space here in one of the deluxe suites. You see you have quite a bit more space here in the sitting area where you can sit, relax, especially if you're traveling with family or friends. You've got more storage to the side here and a bit more storage as well. Once again, this is that twin balcony configuration where you've got more space to spread out. Now with the twin balcony, in addition to the French balcony that you can see from the bed, you also have a step-out balcony with 2 chairs and a table. Perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the beautiful Nile views. Now keep in mind, we've also sailed on the AmaDahlia. You can check out that full ship tour, the rooms and suites there as well. 2 incredible options here in Egypt. Now when you're ready to book this wonderful room or any room or suite with AmaWaterways, make sure you reach out to the experts at HarTravel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way.